we're making cashew cream. Just 2 ingredients, cashews and hot water, and you'll need a blender to blend it up, and it'll make the creamiest cashew cream you've ever had, which is obviously dairy-free, can be used in any place that a regular dairy creamer or a coconut cream would be used. So think maybe a cream base for soups, a creamy salad dressing, a creamy topping for a latte or coffee, a cashew cream Alfredo sauce, or as a base for a cashew sour cream, or even a cashew cream cheese, any kind of cream, you name it. And it's so simple. I'm using a recipe from Minimalist Baker. So I have raw cashews, and we're gonna wanna top them with hot water. So I have mine heated up into a kettle here. Okay, I've got a ton of cashews because we love it here. We throw it on so many different dishes. We'll even just have vegetables dipped in or potatoes dipped in a cashew cream, or sauces, mayo substitute. Nutrition-wise, cashews are a great source of protein, healthy fats, fiber, and also a lot of micronutrients like magnesium, iron, and zinc. And being raw, they are naturally low in sodium, and you can add as much salt as you want to the cream, or however you're gonna use the cream in a soup, salad dressing, sauce, you name it. We're gonna top the cashews with the hot water, just so that the hot water is covering the cashews by about 1 inch or 2. Okay, now we'll give it about 20 minutes. But if you're in a hurry and you have a high-powered blender, there have been many times where I've whipped this up just by soaking for about 5 minutes and just blending it a little bit extra time in the blender. But by doing the 20 to 30 minutes, the cashews will blend up a little bit easier and a little bit more smoothly in a quicker amount of time. Okay, my cashews are soaked and they are ready to blend. Now, all that we have is water to mix with them. So it's either gonna be a 2-to-1 ratio of water to cashews, or a 1-to-1 ratio of the water to cashews, depending on how thick you want your cashew cream. And you can always adjust that as you go. So maybe start small and then see how it looks, how thick the texture is. Okay, I'm gonna put the cashews in the blender. And then the water. Blend till smooth. Creamy. Yeah, that's it. I have more than my jar will fit. And there's our cashew cream. We'll keep this in the fridge. It'll probably last for about 5 to 7 days, and it might thicken up a little bit more in the fridge. You can always add more liquid or just more of other ingredients depending on what it's used for. Like I said, if it's a salad dressing, you'll be adding vinegar, maybe some other plant milk or water or oil that can blend it up. But there we have it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to follow along for more, and I'll see you next time. Cashew cream.